Okay, today I'm going to share a few words that seem to be a problem in my youngest daughter's reading class this morning. So I thought maybe it would be helpful to explain them to the English learners. For instance, she encountered this word many times and had trouble with it. This is the word said. Okay, for instance, the teacher said, "I am doing well." Okay? Said is the past tense of the verb to say. Okay? Today I say, yesterday I said. Now, normally in English, when you have a pair of vowels together, normally the second vowel is silent and the first vowel will be made long. So basically the rule we follow is the long A with a silent I. And it would look like this. S-A-D. Like from the word say. You know, I say yes. Or in past tense we would say I said yes. So that's how we're going to pronounce it. But we still don't get exactly the right pronunciation. It sounds like said if we follow the rule. But actually in this word, the correct pronunciation is going to be said. And that kind of sounds like it has a short E sound, like this. Said. This is the correct pronunciation of this word. Said. The teacher said, "I am doing well." So that's the first word I wanted to examine. Okay, and another word which is similar with the said is the word again. Now, again is the proper pronunciation, and I will be using this word as I explain here. Again, we have the silent I making the long A, so it would be pronounced a-g-a-n. So it actually come out to sound like again, but again, it sounds more like this. Again, with the short E, and this is a short A, so it sounds like g-e-n, again. And here I'll use it in a sentence. The teacher wanted us to take the test again. That means another time. So here's the word again. It looks like again, but it's pronounced again. Now back to we just talked about the word said and the word again. And we see that these had the short E sound. Said, like short E-eh, and again also takes the short E sound. But here we have the same vowel construction, the A-I, just like in said and again, but in these words they all take on the long A sound. A, as in laid. It's the past tense of to lay something. She laid the book on the table. paid. It's past tense of to pay. I must pay my bill. Yesterday she paid the bill. Okay, now raid. This is different. This is, well, it can be used as a verb, but basically we're going to use raid as a noun. A raid is like a sudden attack. Okay, so that has the long A sound. A raid. Rail. Rail. Okay, like train tracks, you know, riding the rails. And then we have rain. We all know what that is, the rain that falls from the sky. And then raise, to lift something up, to raise it higher. So you see how these all have the AI, but they say what they're supposed to, long A. In this case, each I is silent and telling you that the A is long. So here is where the rule is able to be followed, and it does what it is supposed to do, as opposed to over here we have the AI, but the word is pronounced with a short E sound. Said, again, laid, paid, raid, rail, rain, and raise.